HSBC Holdings is a British multinational investment bank and financial services holding company. It is the second largest bank in Europe with total assets of $2.984 trillion and the largest bank in Europe by total equity of $204.995 billion as of December 2020. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another how-to video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into the online banking service of HSBC Bank. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.us.hsbc.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of HSBC Bank. Now, click on the logon option that can be seen at the top right. You'll then be asked to enter your username. Enter your username, and if you want your device to remember your username, then check on this box right here. But don't tick it if you are using a public or shared device. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on Forgot Username link and follow the instructions provided to recover it. Once you have entered the details, click on Continue, then follow the further instructions provided and give all the details that will be required to log into the online banking service of HSBC Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.